The next demonstration is going to be this metropolis sign in the V-bit carving toolpath. Now in the V-bit carving toolpath, previously it was just one tool, V-bit carving. And what you'd have to do if you wanted to area clearance out, to use the area clearance to clear out your area and then run around it with a V-bit tool. You'd also have to offset your design slightly. Now what we do now is if I just select all of my vectors that I want to work with, and I'm going to send it to a maximum depth of 3 millimeters. A maximum depth of 3 millimeters. Don't want the start depth, and I'm going to pick my carving tool. So my carving tool is my V-bit tool. I'm going to go with this 100-degree V-bit tool, and my roughing tool, so the area clearance tool. So it's now created within one toolpath to give you the best finish. So I'm going to use a 12mm end mill tool. Got my materials set up, and we'll calculate this within the selected vectors. So there they have created quite quickly. We'll simulate the toolpath to see the result we get. So we're going to select simulate, and off we go. We're going to use our end mill tool first, so off it goes, working its way around my vectors. V-bit carving tool just to go around the edge. And you can see the difference in the design.